Welcome. Have you ever seen those little white spots on top of your grandma's jams and thought they were mold? In under 3 minutes, you'll learn what they really are and how to avoid them. Those white spots are just sugar crystals that have settled and not dissolved. This often happens when there's a bit too much sugar added. So, how do you avoid them? First, don't add too much sugar. It's something you'll learn by experience. Stir the jam well and cool it quickly to keep the sugar crystals small and creamy. Remember, small crystals are creamy and soft, while big ones are grainy and unpleasant. You can also add a small amount, around 10 milliliters, of lemon juice to prevent crystallization. The reason: lemon juice breaks the sugar molecules into different building blocks, making it harder for them to crystallize. In summary, if you don't want those pesky white spots, remember to add the right amount of sugar, stir well, and cool the jam quickly. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment and see you next time.